Hello everyone, welcome to our December Schall School Star Student Assembly. We are very happy to be here to honor our Star students for the month of December. We are Schall strong no matter the distance, but we hope we are nearly done with virtual learning and virtual assemblies. We hope to be back in person soon. We know that strong character is just as important as good academic skills for our students to reach their full potential. And we want to make sure our students are recognized for demonstrating outstanding character. That is one of the reasons we do our monthly Star Student Assemblies. Today we are honoring those who have gone above and beyond as a Star student in their classroom during their virtual learning time. December's theme was responsibility. We were looking for students throughout the month of December who demonstrated responsibility each and every day. These students are always prepared and ready to go for class each day. They take part in making their classroom, our school community, their family, and our community a better place, whether remote or in person. We found students who exemplified responsibility throughout the month of December. So now we are going to find out who this month's Star students are. Students will receive in the mail packets which contain a certificate to hang on their locker or in their classroom, or when they come back to school or at home. They will receive a parent letter, a copy of the nominations, and some other special items. Our first Star student this month is from Mrs. Cook's third grade classroom. Returning to school in a different form has not been an easy task for anyone this year. Despite all of the challenges this student has been faced with, she is determined to remain responsible by getting all of her work in, asking for help when needed, putting forth best efforts, and being a reliable pupil. Never have I been given a reason other than taking ownership for her own actions, which displays responsibility to its fullest potential. The student is responsible, enters every day with a positive attitude, says the truth, puts in best efforts, is on top of her schoolwork, never gives up, strives towards excellence, is intrigued with learning new things, is in charge of her own education, likes to be her best for herself and others, and exemplifies excellence. Congratulations to Gabrielle Williams. Our next Star student is from Miss Kennedy's third grade classroom. Responsibility. 1. Being in control of your own behavior. 2. Being trusted with important jobs. 3. Having your work finished on time. And 4. Doing your part when working together. That's a quote from an author unknown. Being responsible and taking responsibility can be difficult. This student handles his emotions and his behavior even when it would be easier for him not to. School this year is tough for everyone. When he was in the classroom, he was a very hard worker. Now that we are virtual, he is still doing a great job of getting his work turned in on time and attending Google Meets each day. Congratulations to Brody Shea. Our next Star student is from Mrs. Martin's third grade classroom. This student is a dedicated and caring young lady. She works hard on her assignments in our virtual classroom. She is very responsible in attending our Google Meets. She gives positive feedback, which also helps her classmates. Her respectful ways are a wonderful example for all of us. Thank you and congratulations to Ariana Johnson. Our next Star student is from Mrs. Wallace's third grade classroom. Responsibility is a skill and attribute one will need to be successful in life. I can say with complete confidence that this young man has what it takes to be a responsible student and future adult in life. He always has his work completed on time, very neatly, and completely finished, and has clearly made his best effort. He attends Google Meets, participates, and is respectful to others in the meet. He adds character to our classroom and helps to make it a better place for all of us. Congratulations to Landrick Vrabel. Keep up the great work. Our next Star student is from Mrs. Warden's third grade classroom. This student is very responsible. She turns in online assignments, attends whole group guided reading and math meets on a daily basis. She is responsible not only in her work ethic, but also her attitude and behavior shine brightly. She works very hard, so this is why I am nominating as my Star student for the month of December. Keep shining and smiling. Congratulations to Olivia Kreitz. Our next Star student is from Mr. Ball's fourth grade classroom. Our star student this month has had a great first trimester of 4th grade and is off to an excellent start in the second trimester. The main reason for his success is because he is a very responsible student. He completes his work on time and always puts forth his best effort. When we were meeting in the classroom, he was always prepared, took responsibility for his work and his actions, and could be counted on to always follow expectations no matter where he was in the building. Now that we are learning virtually, nothing has changed. He continues to demonstrate responsibility by completing and turning in his work on time and attending Google Meets regularly. I expect him to have a great rest of the year. Thank you for being such a responsible student. Congratulations to Jacob Daisy. Our next star student is from Mrs. Bush's 4th grade classroom. Room 110 star student is very responsible and on top of his virtual learning. He is very diligent in making sure he does not have any missing homework by making sure to ask Ms. Forbing and me if he is all caught up. He regularly attends Google Meets, making sure to participate in our discussions and learning. Thank you for being a great role model. I appreciate your hard work. Keep it up. You've got what it takes to be known as a star student at Schall Elementary. Congratulations to Isaiah Rittenberg. Our next star student is from Ms. Forbing's 4th grade classroom. Taking responsibility for your work can be challenging, especially when you are learning online. You have to be willing to try your best and work hard, even when you may not want to. This student has done just that. He is working hard every day. He has managed to get all of his virtual assignments done, and they are done well. He checks in regularly with his teachers. He even asks us how our days are going. He has taken his learning very seriously, and I'm so proud of him for that. Keep up the amazing work, kiddo. Congratulations to Michael Proctor. Our next star student is from Mrs. K's 4th grade class. Online school isn't easy. There is a lot to keep track of and be responsible for. Even more, there is a responsibility on the students to be able to ask for help when needed. This isn't always easy, and usually in the classroom, the teacher can see when someone is struggling to offer a hand. Our star student has taken the initiative to ask for help from his mom and teachers when needed, so he can get his work turned in and continue learning through this difficult time. Thanks for being a star in and out of our classroom. Congratulations to Noah Barr. Our next star student is from Miss Kuntz's 4th grade classroom. Your success is your responsibility. Take the initiative, do the work, and persist to the end. A quote by Lori Myers. Responsibility can mean a lot of different things. It can be admitting when you've made a mistake and trying better next time. It can be keeping yourself organized so you know when everything is due. Even something as simple as listening to and following directions shows responsibility. I am nominating this student for our December Superstar because they always make the effort to take care of themselves, correct their mistakes, work hard, and admit when they need something. It may be rare for them to have a missing assignment, but when they do, they take the initiative to take care of it. Congratulations on being such a responsible student. We are so proud of you. Great job too, Lauren Green. Our next star student is from Mrs. Burns' 5th grade classroom. The student that I chose for this month's star student has done a great job showing responsibility during this difficult time of virtual learning. He has taken responsibility for his schoolwork. He gets his assignments turned in a timely manner and shows that he is putting an effort by doing his best. I am so proud of you. Congratulations and keep up the hard work. Great job too, Xander Davidson. Our next star student is from Mrs. Gill's 5th grade classroom. Our star student shows responsibility each and every day. He knows what is expected of our students and does his best to be responsible with his choices. During this unusual school year, I have really noticed the effort he has put into his schoolwork. Since we have gone to all virtual, he has completed every single assignment. Not only are they completed, but they are also done on time. If the directions or an assignment doesn't make sense, he is quick to send a chat question. He doesn't give up. As a teacher, it is so encouraging to know you have students who want to do their best, and our star student is one of them. Congratulations to Thomas Thone. Keep up the good work. Our next star student is from Miss Nichols' 5th grade classroom. This month, I had very little trouble choosing the perfect star student for the character trait of responsibility. The student I have chosen works hard each day to get his work done and rarely has missing assignments. If he does not understand how to do an assignment, he makes sure to come to my office hours right away and ask for help. He is always willing to listen when I help him and follows through with the advice I have given. He also takes time to write complete and well-thought answers. This student shows responsibility during Google Meets by allowing others to have a turn to talk, using his mute button when there is background noise, and trying hard no matter what activity we are doing. Due to the many ways this student shows responsibility, I am choosing Logan Halleck as this month's star student. Our next star student is from Ms. Schauger's 5th grade classroom. The student I am nominating for December star student and the theme of responsibility has come a long way this year. After a very frustrating start to the online learning process, she is now the first one to finish her assignments each week. She attends Google Meets every day and asks questions when she needs help. I am very proud of her accomplishments so far and know she will do great things. For these reasons and many more, I am proud to nominate for a star student for the month of December, Isabella Price. Congratulations, Bella. Keep up the great work. And our final star student for the month of December is from Mrs. Thorma's 5th grade classroom. Some students were able to switch to virtual learning very quickly, but for many it was a difficult transition. As a student, you have to be responsible for your own schedule, for asking for help, for completing your assignments and turning them in. There isn't a teacher monitoring your room to make sure you are on task. The student that I am nominating this month had a tough start to virtual learning. However, he has really stepped up and become responsible for his learning. He comes to Google Meets almost every day, asks questions through GoGuardian, and is making sure he gets his work complete and in on time. He really has risen to the occasion and made changes to make sure that trimester 2 is successful. That is why I have nominated Gavin Tinsley for star student for the character trait of responsibility this month. And Mrs. Thorma also has a second nomination this month. The student that I am nominating for responsibility for the month of December had a slow start to the school year. While she turned in her work, it was pretty clear that she did not put forth her best effort. However, she decided that she wanted trimester 2 to be different. She turned to her learning around. She is taking her time and turning in completed work. She is also taking the initiative to ask questions if she is unsure of something. She is also checking skyward and making sure that there are no missing assignments. I am impressed with the work that I am seeing from her now. That is why I am nominating for our star student for the month of December, Genevieve Stejkowski. Great job, Genevieve. Congratulations to all of our December star students. Next month's star student theme for the month is honesty and integrity. Honesty and integrity are absolutely essential to success in life, all areas of life. The really good news is that anyone can develop both honesty and integrity, and that is a quote by Zig Ziglar. To be honest at all times is a real struggle for all of us as human beings. It's not easy to tell the truth when it means to admitting to our mistakes, but in the end, it makes us a better person and the kind of person that others know they can always count on. We will be looking for students throughout the month of January who exemplify honesty and integrity in all that they say and do. Our Schall Elementary students work hard to be good citizens, and we are very proud of them for that. I want to remind all of our students how important it is to demonstrate good citizenship. Everywhere that you go, the kind of person that you are is what people will remember you for. We do ask that all of our star students email a picture of themselves to their teacher or Ms. Wyman so that the pictures can be hung up on our star student bulletin board. Thank you to all of you for your support and encouragement. We know that this is an extremely challenging time, and we want to thank all of our students that are stepping up to the plate and getting their work done to the best of their ability, and to the friends and family members that are supporting them and helping them. We hope that you all have a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and that we can see you all in person very soon.